So here is the object of which we are going to draw the front view, top view and side view. This will be the direction of front view. So x direction is this one. So we are seeing the front view from this side. So we can see these faces. But before moving to the view, there are important things to be drawn on the paper, so that we'll draw first the axis lines, which we will use as a origin to draw the views, origin or reference to draw the views. Similarly, we'll draw some lines equally minimum 10 mm from the line on the both side of vertical and horizontal axis, so that from there we can start drawing the views directly. See, so our basic things of drawing axis systems, coordinate systems is over. Now the first thing which we would follow is that we'll create the blocks for all the views, so that the outer box will be ready and we can draw the views inside, so there will be no mistakes or errors of alignment of the views. So if we draw this in by first angle method, so my front view will be on the top side and my left hand side view will be on my right hand side view will be on my left hand side view of front view, and my top view will be below the front view. So if you see that here we can draw the front view, and here we can draw a right hand side view, and at this space we can use or we can draw a top view. So first we'll draw a dimensions or the block for the front view. So front view contains this height and this width. So that is, in this case, 72 is the height and 80 is the width. So see, I will draw, this is 80 and this is 72. Okay, so this block is ready. Now for top view we are going to share the same width as we seen earlier. So I will start from here, and the length is given at 64 mm in the problem. So my view is ready, my top view is ready now. Means top view outer casings, outer blocks. Now we'll draw a right hand side view. Here we have seen that we share the height. So 72 mm we shared with side views, and also we share this length with top view. So how we'll draw the top view or the projection for it? So first draw the projection through this line, and we'll see the arc method now. Draw your arc by making this as a center, this axis origin, and draw from this vertical axis till horizontal axis, and do not forget to project this from here and draw the view from here. So this block will be my side view, and I will mark this as a construction, as this is just a projection line, this is not an object line. So now we have completed with the blocks. Now we'll draw the actual views of the of this object. So we'll start with the front view. So how front view will look like? It will look like this. So it is not clear in the solid view, so we'll go for a wireframe. So this will be my front view, but this view doesn't show any hidden objects. So we'll go here. These are the hidden objects. Why they are hidden? Because this object in the front view is far larger than this two. So these two lines are hidden behind this object. So that's why they must be marked hidden in the object, so that the person who is manufacturing can know the structure and can imagine the structure of the object. So we'll start drawing these views. For that we have some dimensions like this. So we'll start drawing. This is 32 mm and this is 32, again 16 and 16 here. So we'll draw line 32 mm here and 32 mm from here. So this is 32 and this is again 32. So we have created this structure. These two lines are not required, so we'll erase them. Now we have this slot here like this. So that is again 16 mm from here and 16 mm from here. So we'll draw lines like this. Like this. So this completes the outer line or visible things on this view. Now we'll move, as we don't know where are these lines at this point of time. So first this line will project it from the right hand side view. Now we will move to the top view. So this is my top view. This is how we can see the top view. So this is the actual orientation of that view, top view. So we can see this 32 mm is projected from this top view. So we'll project it from here like this, and also we'll project this line which is required to draw this inclined line. So now we'll see this view here. So this line we can draw now. So we have completed this line. Now we can see these two lines are 20 mm from their outer edges. So we'll draw lines of 20 mm. Similarly from this side 20 mm. So this completes our half view. Now just remaining thing is this inclined line. So we have a start point here. So we'll start drawing this line, and this distance is 16 mm as shown here. So we'll mark it as a 16 mm. So this completes our top view. There are no hidden lines here, so we don't need to show that. So like this we can draw the two basic views. Now we'll go for a right hand side view. For right hand side view, we'll go for a we'll see how right hand side view looks. So this is my right hand side view, will look like. So see, this is my right hand side view. So how I will draw this right hand side view? So I will take projections from this projection. We have this projection, and then this projection also will have projections from here. So now by arc method we'll draw some projections from the top view like this. Now we'll start drawing this part. So for that we need some dimensions. So we'll get some dimensions from here. So now we can see we have both these lines here. So we can draw these lines first. Also for this we have lines from here. So we can draw a projection from here like this. So we can complete the bottom side of this view. So this is completed. I will delete these projection lines to avoid the confusion. I'm just drawing it one by one, so there won't be any a stack of lines, and because of which we can get confused. So like this. Also we have these lines, so we'll project that lines here. So now we can draw this structure from here. So as we know from this dimension, it is 26 28 from the top side. So we'll draw 20 line on 28. So this should be 28. Okay, and as we know that this line is 24 mm from here, so we'll draw that. And we remove other non-required lines. So now we got both the hidden lines which are required in the front view. So we'll now project this line and this line here, and we'll draw two lines which are hidden. So now we'll mark them as a hidden because these lines are hidden lines. So you can see the hidden lines are shown by these gray lines or gray color. So this completes how to draw the views and projections by first angle method, and how to imagine the views, how to plot the views on the different side, and why these axes and these projections are important to draw these views. So here today we have completed the introduction to the orthographic projection and with one or two simple examples. So if you have any doubt regarding this, we can solve it in the next session. Thank you.